Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Bluetooth issues on your VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. So start by toggling your Bluetooth by switching it off and on again in the control center. And then go to the settings and see if this problem is resolved. And if you are paired with the device that you have troubles with, then select it and unpair it from your device completely, and then try to pair it again. In my own experience, this is what most commonly solves the problem. But if this didn't help you solve the problem, first of all, restart your phone and your Bluetooth device. To restart your phone, hold down the power button and volume up key. At the same time, then swipe the middle circle to the right and wait until your device restarts. Also, restart your Bluetooth device if possible. And you can also check your Bluetooth device, check the connections, check how it connects to other devices. Also check if your phone can connect to another Bluetooth device. Maybe this is a specific issue related to your Bluetooth device that you're trying to connect. The next step, once your phone is restarted, is to check your software for updates. And to do so, you're gonna have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to settings, swipe down to system update menu and check if you are using the latest system version, and if you don't, update your device. And also go to system management, open reset menu and reset network settings, tap reset, and after that you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, of course, and repair your Bluetooth device. So go back to Bluetooth, tap on your device to repair it to your smartphone and see if this resolves your issue. And so these are all the troubleshooting steps for today. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.